Hello everyone. So today we are going to learn about the frames. Today I am going to teach you this frame, and today I am going to teach you the multiple photographs frame, and I'm also going to teach you this poster, that how can you create this poster in Canva in 5 minutes. So let's start the tutorial. So for inserting frames on Canva, you required one poster. So for this, click on create a design and write down poster here and select the poster according to your requirement. As I am selecting the portrait poster, so in the element section you have to write down frames, and then you will find out the required frames. So click on see all and you will see all the frames of different designs. You can select any of the frame that you want for your project. Okay, so if you want to change your image in a circular motion, then select this frame and increase the size of this frame like this. If you want to insert any image in the frame, then click on the upload section, or you have to upload your photograph and then drag that photograph inside this frame. This way you can insert the picture in the frame, and frame can be of your choice. There are different designs available in this section, and you can insert 2 or 3 pictures at one time. For example, we have this frame. I am adding one more page, and we have this frame, and in this frame we can insert the image. We can insert the image in this frame, and for this click on upload and then drag the image like this. In one frame I have inserted one picture, and for the second frame I will insert a new picture. So in the second frame I am inserting this second picture, and in the third frame I am inserting this picture like this. And in this way you can create the collage also. If you want to create any poster of click on that element section, and then we have one frame like this. So insert that frame and increase the size of this frame like this, and then change the color of this frame. As I am changing the color of this frame as white like this, and I am changing the background color like this. Okay, so this way you can see the frame, and then in the element section again I am selecting the same frame and I am dragging the frame on this inserted frame. I am trying to give the tearing effect, as when we tear the paper, so we will be creating the tearing effect like this. In this way you can create the tearing effect. You can increase that white portion according to your requirement. And now I will insert any picture on the frame like this. I am inserting that picture, and I am creating the frame for traveling agency. So for that I want blue shade according to the picture that I have inserted. I can change the position of this image by dragging the picture like this. So I have set the image, and now I'm going to add some text on this poster. final poster, and this way you can use the frames in your projects. And I think these steps are clear to you. So if you want to learn some new thing, or if you want me to create a video on any new topic, just let me know in the comment section. So don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the like button also. And thank you so much those who have subscribed my channel. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.